Hey guys, welcome to my first video. My name is Scott Avery, and this is my channel. It's my first upload, and I just probably for a couple days for a pretty long time. Minecraft seems to be coming back, so I'm gonna be making just a little let's play. I'm already deep into my building progress and everything, but I just thought I'll start recording and post it. So, I'll give you a little tour of my place, of my melon farm. I've copied Laserbeam Major on this. If you don't know who Laserbeam is, go check his channel out. He's very funny. It's like 11 mil. Great guy. He's hilarious. Anyways, over here. So I had a little incident when, I placed a pool of lava because I'm an idiot. And yeah, everything caught on fire. So yeah, for some reason I can't get my audio to work for my game right now. But okay, never mind. Yeah, I can't get my audio to work for my game right now. But I think by the next video I just have to do some stuff that I cannot do right now. But I'll get my audio for sure. Oh, my game is frozen. What is happening? Oh, there we go. I just got a huge light spike. Oh, I can't move now. What the? Yo, what? That's weird. There we go. Oh, okay. Whew. Oh no. Okay, this is my little furnace thing. So if I have a ton of friends, which I don't, but if I did, they would just, use that, right? My panda, his name is Timothy. I'm like 100% sure I spelled his name wrong. He's an angry. Yeah, I think I spelled that wrong. Leave a comment if it's right. Right.